I'm not even in yet, so this might not even be a problem. Mom. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have gone behind your back. It's not like I'm definitely going to New York, though. Mom. Mom. Aren't you sort of proud of me for being so close to getting in? I mean, just a little. Yes, it was probably easier with 9/11 and less people applying with racism and all that still going. Mom. Mom, I'm sorry. I know I can lie and not be a good person, but please, Mom, please just talk to me, okay? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I appreciate everything you've done for me. I'm sorry. I'm ungrateful, and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I wanted more. Talk to me. Mom. Mom. Mom, please talk to me, okay? I know